You think you've seen wild? Please. Until you stood in the shadow of a glacier the size of Manhattan, watched a bear casually fish its dinner, or witnessed the sky explode in electric green with zero warning, you haven't even scratched the iceberg of what Alaska has to offer. This isn't just another travel video. This is your all-access pass to the untamed, unfiltered, unapologetically epic jaw-dropper that is Alaska. The place where nature doesn't whisper. It roars like a grizzly with bad Wi-Fi. In this video, we're counting down the 10 most amazing places to visit in Alaska. And fair warning, by the end, you may be Googling float plane prices and updating your will to include must see a glacier before I die. So buckle up, fellow explorer. We're skipping the tourist traps, diving straight into the wild, and serving you a glacier-chilled cocktail of natural wonders, surreal landscapes, and more wow moments than a fireworks show on a roller coaster. Let's hit the ice. Number 10, Katmai National Park, where the bears are the influencers. Ever seen that viral photo of a bear catching a salmon midair like it's auditioning for Bear Ninja Warrior? Yeah, that's Katmai. And it's not staged. That's just Tuesday. Tucked in southwestern Alaska, near Homer and Kodiak Island, Katmai National Park is a raw, remote beast of a place. No highways, no crowds, just 6 million acres of don't forget to blink wilderness. The star of the show? Brown bears, hundreds of them. Chilling at Brooks Falls, snatching salmon out of the air like they're swiping right on dinner. But Katmai isn't just Alaska's bear buffet, it's also home to the Valley of 10,000 Smokes, which sounds like a heavy metal album, but is actually a surreal post-apocalyptic ash plain left by the 1912 Novarupta eruption, aka one of the biggest volcanic tantrums in modern history. It's a place where the Earth basically said, "I'm going through something," and left a 40-square-mile scar to prove it. If you're into world-class fishing, glacier-fed rivers here are basically trout tinder, full of rainbow trout and salmon swiping left and right through pristine waters. This isn't a place you stumble upon, it's a pilgrimage for the bold. Just don't forget to pack your zoom lens and your nerves. Think that's cool? Wait till you see a glacier so big, it makes your ex's heart look warm. Number 9, Taku Glacier, Alaska's thickest glacier. And no, we're not fat-shaming. Taku is one of the rare glaciers that's advancing. That's right, while other glaciers are backing off, this one's charging forward like it's got a vendetta. You'll need a boat or a plane to get here, but once you do, the towering walls of ice and neon blue crevices will make your jaw unhinge. Still with us? Good, because next up, we're diving into one of Alaska's most cinematic deep cuts. Number 8, Tracy Arm and Endicott Arm, Fjords. This is what happens when mountains and glaciers get married and have dramatic babies. Narrow fjords, 4,000-foot cliffs, waterfalls so extra they could star in shampoo commercials, and then boom, Sawyer Glacier. If you catch it calving, congrats. You've just seen ice have a nervous breakdown in real time. Now that we've fjorded our way through nature's drama, let's head to a town where Russia, whales, and volcanoes walk into a bar. Number 7, Sitka. This place is cultural fusion done right. Once the capital of Russian America, that was a thing. Sitka serves you Orthodox cathedrals, Tlingit totems, and whale sightings like it's a brunch buffet, surrounded by volcanic mountains and rainforests. It's got everything, except road access. You'll need a boat or plane. Sorry, road trippers. Next up, gold, ghosts, and a train ride that'll make your Instagram followers foam at the mouth. Number 6, Skagway. Skagway's like a history book that slapped on hiking boots. Once a Klondike gold rush boomtown, today it's a mix of Old West charm and epic alpine adventures. Hop the White Pass and Yukon Route Railroad, yes, an actual train, for one of the most scenic rides of your life. Bonus points if you yell choo-choo unironically. If Skagway's the past, our next stop is the spiritual gateway to the wild, where the trees are massive and so are the bears. Number 5, Tongass National Forest. Welcome to the largest temperate rainforest in the US, and yes, it rains. A lot. Spread over 16.7 million acres, that's like 14 Rhode Islands. This moss-drenched wonderland is home to wolves, bald eagles, and bears who look like they eat CrossFitters for breakfast. Pro tip, check out Misty Fjords National Monument for a landscape so mystical, it practically demands a flute soundtrack. Done with mist and moss? Let's dial up the drama with some frozen thunder. Number 4, Kenai Fjords National Park, Seward, where glaciers meet sea lions and whales say hi with backflips. Kayak next to walls of ice, or hike the insane Harding Icefield Trail, aka cardio with views. If you've ever wanted to feel like a National Geographic explorer without the camera crew, this is it. Speaking of massive, how about the largest mountain in North America? Number 3, Denali National Park. Denali is the Beyoncé of mountains. Towering 20,310 feet, it doesn't just dominate the skyline, it is the skyline. But Denali National Park is more than just a pretty peak. It's 6 million acres of raw wilderness. Want to see bears, caribou, and maybe your soul? Hop the park bus or take a sightseeing tour. Either way, bring binoculars and maybe a life plan. But don't get too comfy, because up next is a town where the lights don't just stay on at night, they dance. Get your eyes and camera ready for Fairbanks and its epic aurora light show. Number 2, the Northern Lights, Fairbanks. Let's talk about the celestial show that puts your average firework display to shame, the Aurora Borealis, or as we like to call it, Mother Nature's personal rave in the sky. And if you want front row seats to this surreal, solar-powered dance party, Fairbanks is where you go. Why? Because it's basically the Las Vegas Strip of the Northern Lights, minus the overpriced buffets and Elvis impersonators. With over 200 aurora sightings a year, Fairbanks doesn't just hope the lights show up, it practically schedules them. Starting around late August, while your neighbors are still barbecuing, Fairbanks becomes the ultimate sky-gazing hotspot. Locals even have superstitions about whistling at the aurora to make it dance. And honestly, who are we to question sky magic? But here's the real secret sauce, Chena Hot Springs. Picture this, you're neck deep in steamy geothermal water. It's minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and above you, a cosmic light show so vivid it makes your iPhone short-circuit from sheer awe. It's the kind of bucket list moment that'll make your soul do a backflip. So if you're chasing that once-in-a-lifetime experience that turns your travel journal into myth and legend, Fairbanks is your launch pad to the stars. And finally, let's talk about a city that thinks it's chill, but is actually a wilderness VIP lounge. Number 1, Anchorage, Alaska's wild side and business casual. Welcome to Anchorage, the biggest city in Alaska. And no, it's not just a gas station with Wi-Fi in the wilderness. It's where grizzly bears and food trucks exist in perfect harmony. Anchorage is like if National Geographic and a modern art museum had a baby, then raised it on craft beer and glacier views. You've got mountains so close they practically judge your life choices, and more than 100 miles of trails lacing through greenbelts, coastal paths, and moose crossing zones. Yes, actual moose, the kind that could probably bench press your rental car. But here's the kicker. While it's surrounded by untouched wilderness, Anchorage doesn't sleep in a tent. This is a fully functioning city. Museums, coffee shops, theater, sushi bars, and one of the only places in the world where you might spot a person in business attire at lunch and a person gutting a salmon 50 feet away. Feeling cultured? Head to the Anchorage Museum, where native art, science exhibits, and interactive displays are served with a side of, "Whoa, I didn't know that." Want wildlife? Drive 10 minutes in literally any direction. Want to be humbled by a mountain? Hike Flat Top, the most climbed peak in Alaska, and realize halfway up that maybe cardio is important. Anchorage is more than a stopover. It's the urban jungle that shakes hands with the real jungle. It's Alaska's rugged handshake in a city suit. So, are you booking your ticket or what? Because Alaska isn't just a trip, it's a full-on epic with glaciers, bears, and the kind of scenery that makes your phone storage cry. If this video made you laugh, dream, or scream road trip, you will love the next video. Click here. The next wonder, it's one click away.